Good morning, everyone. My name is Sitaram. Today is the discuss best about the Infleet Royals, and this is the bike company is the very motivation, and this is the successful. This is the our big fans and purchase about her every man's her every families, and this the her average families or sons they provide by this the Infleet Royals Royal Enfield. This the direct about the so many requirement suggestion pool contributed in the so many about discuss your conditional by your thinking about this the managemental areas. The direct start for this the career and situation for nobody discuss about. Direct fold discuss your situation is the different body and go through start by this is the discuss and start for in this the one cycle garage cycle store open for in this the repairing by cycle this the making your continue at the sale by this the India country. This the 1947 start for and start by generally the 1980. This is the very sale the cycle and go through area and this the guidelines area situation. And this is the uh, very no urban areas. This the difference areas. This is difference areas, and those Delhi your capital India capital and very politis city and very high population city and managemental area city. And this is established for 1947 start by and 1991 is the established for is the every country. And the this is the information technical department and other companies Google and different part of every telephone continue. This is the other situation inform. And this the Indian technical department establishment New Delhi. And Delhi is the biggest areas. This the NCR and New Delhi. This the importance areas is the very rules. This the Supreme Court. And this the our our just justice man. And this is the Nyalay and the very sounding and very high pollution areas. And this each areas is the command for all India requirement suggestion for. This is the living for time situation environmental suggestion for continue go through this the rule follow and direct full effort. And this the governmentalization every companies. And this the year India and difference bank and SBI bank and other areas bank is the this is the governmentalization and government through and hand over go. This is by situation is the managemental areas to reach the best opportunities successful condition. How about the listen for every day. This is the direct food. And this is cycle through and transformation This is the motorcycle, and this is the first motorcycle is the Honda and Hero. This is the Indian Royal Enfield. In this the change for every first choices and direct fold this working through start, and this the headquarter in Delhi establishment. This is the main CEO and direct fold command, and this is the transportation areas Delhi to other areas successful provide and countries and other countries. Royal Enfield in the successful managemental and with 50,000 to 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs rupees direct full establishment continue. And this the story is the very illness, no very popularity the success your Royal Enfield, and this the very ad for and the no celebrity. This is the use for and first your celebrities requirement suggestion for other filmmaker. This is the use for bike, and this the high sale prices is the increase, and this is the million billion grosses hour. This is the imprint by continue money provided so many. This is the requirement suggestion full is the continue. This the Delhi headquarter for New Delhi is the generally information. This the Royal Enfield. This the CEO for other areas different part of speech, and this the Chandigarh, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and this is the West Bengal, Kolkata area, and Ajmer, Jaipur area biggest showroom open. This is the provide we and employment and the successful working, and this is the regular working and irregular multi-purpose employee and service good health and go through working. This the similarity, this the powerful making this factory your manipulated manufacturing is this the first working in this the her areas every her everybody her similarly, and this the updated. This is the working through lifetime. This the no accident and the high mileage, and this is the very low cost minimum cost maximum profit go through areas. This is the complete royal is the first golden area, and this the Titan golden is the steel in the bike. In this the black golden similarities go through areas the management theory lab is your managemental area successful. This the first engagemental thoughts about this the similarity for the continue first similarity for this is Royal Enfield and the successful man, and this the money provide, and this the successful man this the achieve for Royal Enfield, and this the bullet bike is the generation go through your. This is the headquarter billion cross by, and the successful is the no loss. This the her every year thousand sale for bikes, and this the lakhs bike sale for continue working through. This is the managemental areas go through area the successful managemental theory life about the English mental to reach the best opportunities to continue after this living of task. This is the purchase for this the Royal Enfield is the golden, and this the steel color and the successman. This is the future bright in the career. This is the go through best area. Okay, requirement suggestion for thank you every day.